Magnet wire has a very tough coating of enamel plus polymer, and it cannot be stripped by a regular wire stripper. There are times when you're going to need to cut the wire and expose some of the copper so that you can make a connection. So with this light as an example, you can see that we have a nice clean edge. But if I need for some reason to shorten the wire on this light, the light won't light anymore because we have not exposed any copper like this. So this light no longer lights. But one way to strip it, you can strip it with heat or you can strip it with sandpaper. This is 100 grit that I have here. You're going to want to go ahead and sand until you see some nice clean copper. You're not going to sand too far. You don't have to worry about breaking the wires if you just go slowly. Make sure that you see clean copper. And then it's a good idea to turn it over and do the other side. What I've noticed is that the green, for some reason, takes a little bit more sanding than the red to get nice clean copper exposed. Now you should be able to see that there's nice bright copper here and you're not seeing any more of the insulation. And we know we've gone far enough because our light now lights.